Meaning of fairy story.
Fairy story.
Fairy story.
Fairy story.
Fairy story. The term fairy story refers to a fictional tale that typically involves magical or mythical creatures, often with a moral lesson or message. These stories are usually aimed at children and have been popular for centuries in many cultures around the world. They often feature fairies, goblins, unicorns, or other supernatural beings who interact with humans and can help or hinder them. The themes of fairy stories can vary widely, but they often touch on universal human experiences such as love, loss, and bravery. Overall, fairy stories are beloved for their imaginative and enchanting qualities.